the bindi really looks nice and suits well with my face like shape, my face composition, how should I say, and also with my overall makeup style. So bindi kind of really becomes a type of really like point. It's kind of an emphasis in my makeup look. As I did my eye glitter, the bindi is going to be the point of my makeup look. So I use, as you guys saw in my video, I used this lip liner in order to like draw some line on my lips. And this is the like another color shade. This is like all by Buxom, B-U-X-O-M, Buxom's lip liner, and this color shade is Clark and Decker color. So maybe here. I really like it because like this kind of becomes a point of my forehead. And actually, you know, you can't really do any kind of really outstanding makeup on your forehead. Like you can't draw any eyeliner on your forehead. And like my makeup junkie like me, I really want to do a special makeup that I can do. So I'm going to do... Is this too big? I'm not sure. I think this is like just good. Actually, this one really looks really big in the real world. Right now, is this the right? And I think like, do you think this is like too big about the size? I didn't really know what size is going to be appropriate for my makeup look, so I did like just this way. Using my lip liner. So I'm going to give you guys a tip, whom you guys want to do some kind of special makeup. You can just use your lip liner, or I think you can also use some lipstick if you want. And yeah, that's it. So if you have kind of like orange lipstick or orange lip liner, you can draw a orange color bindi. So these are the makeup tools I'm going to use for today's makeup, and this is all. So I'm just like, before I did the lip makeup for the last part, but today I'm going to do this for the first and the blush for the second, which I did for like almost for the last step for my daily makeup look. So the first step, second step, I'm going to reverse the way how I do my daily makeup look. So the eye makeup's gonna be the end. So I'll first begin with my lip makeup. I'm going to first do my lip look. I'm just first going to apply some basic lipstick color. It's just kind of this nudie color. This one's color shade is Kinda Sexy by MAC Cosmetics as my basic lipstick. Because the quality is really nice, and it smells like chocolate, so I love this. So after you apply this, like, don't forget to like smudge it out like this. Oh my, this is my eyelash here. Smudge it down like this. Okay. Oh my. Product like so many times in my video. So just apply this in the middle of your lips. Like, this looks a little bit weird. In the middle of your lips like this. And don't apply it all the way around because I'm just going to do some gradient lip. So just do some man like this. And use your baby finger. Like, smudge it out like this. Make sure to smudge it out like this, so that your lip do not look chalky or unnatural. So you'll want to like smudge it out like this. And these days I'm taking one more extra step for my lip makeup look. I use this kind of some lip liner. So this one goes really like just a nice nudie lip liner. Like this, and smudge it out. So I think this is really natural. So this is the part I did the lining. without the line. So I'll do the rest of the part here. So now this looks overall. So for the next part, this is my favorite color nowadays. So I'm going to apply this e.l.f. Cosmetics Saint Lucia color. They actually have some bronzer and also some blush, but I actually use this blush like this. At first, there's no difference. Yeah, I didn't see difference neither. But I apply it like 2 times or 3 times. I apply it and it works. Yeah, so I'll apply it like this. I'm going to do the same thing in this part too. Like this. Okay, and once more. I'm going to use Etude House's Oh My Eyelash Mascara. So the way how I do my mascara is like I coat my eyes for like once, and while I wait until this one dries out, I apply the other side. And while this is drying out, I think this is mostly dried out. So I return to this part and apply it once more. Apply it once more. In this palette, so I'm going to use them. So for the first step, I'm just going to use the most lightest matte color in this palette. I'm just going to apply this all around my eyelid just to mattify and arrange the tone that I have in my eyes. Apply it all around my eyelids in this way. And like, don't forget to apply it in your under eyes, on your under eyes, so that the glitter shadow that you're going to apply would fit well on your under eyes too, not only on your upper eyes. And then I'll apply a little bit more of shaded orange or like apricot eyeshadow color in the really outer corner of my eye. It's more apricot color. So I'm going to apply this one also in this part. This is kind of a really spring, like traditional, should I say, like really typical Korean spring makeup look I'm doing. And this is a type of makeup look I recently really love to do. And after that, this is my kind of like really secret step. It's like there is the most like peachy reddish color, right? So I'll just apply it, move it onto my brush and tap it this in this part of my eyes. So I'll show you. Apply it in this part. I will get you. So this is the part I just apply some kind of orange reddish color shadow, and this is the part without that color. So this orange shadow will really make your eyes naturally wider and more open, like forwards, as I usually do. And the other part too. Forget that to do this fake eyelash step. Some of you guys who really want to know the reason why and the way how I actually do in order to like tell you how to do this fake lash step. I'm not going to repeat the same thing since my subscribers would have watched the video already. So the newcomers, hi there, gonna watch this eyeglasses here or here. The eyeglasses makeup tutorial. Yeah. And for the last part, and my favorite part, I'm going to apply this glitter eyeshadow by Urban Decay. And look at this, the color is so pretty. Like this is the glitter shade. They look like this. I'm going to apply it on my eyelid here a little bit. So yeah, you see that when I blink my eyes there is some glitter. I think like a lot of you guys might have been like wondering like what kind of weird thing KAHEVA is putting on her hair. This is the Hairpin Makeup looks like. So it makes your hairband really in the way that you would want your hairband to be. So this really arranges. Oh yeah, so this is the way how to do my hairband. And I just wanted to show you guys because this is the typical item that you might have seen in a lot of K makeup tutorial videos.